Let's read the question. Mechanical Code Chapter 10 mandates every boiler to have shutoff valves in the supply and return piping. Which statement is true? Option A. In multiple boiler installations, each boiler must have individual shutoff valves. Option B. Shutoff valves are never required on return piping. Option C. A single set of valves is sufficient for all boilers in a plant. Option D. Shutoff valves are required even for a single low-pressure steam boiler. No exceptions. Let's draw a diagram of a multiple boiler installation to visualize supply and return piping and the required shutoff valves. Notice in a multiple boiler installation, each boiler has its own shutoff valves on both the supply and the return lines. Therefore, option A is correct. Option B is incorrect because shutoff valves are required on both supply and return piping, except in the single low-pressure steam boiler case. Option C is incorrect because the code requires individual isolation for each boiler in multiple boiler installations. Option D is incorrect because there is an exception for a single low-pressure steam boiler, so shutoff valves are not required in that specific case. In summary, the correct answer is option A. In multiple boiler installations, each boiler must have individual supply and return shutoff valves.